Succeed at affiliate marketing with these simple tips and tricks. Many people enter into affiliate marketing with a great deal of enthusiasm, but lose steam when they don't instantly get results. Like many things, proper affiliate marketing takes time and hard work. In this video, you'll learn where you should be putting your effort in, and how you can get the results you've been hoping for. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. Many people spend hours on the internet. They usually come across many advertisements per day, and will pay attention to the ones that are relevant to their lives. Putting an advertisement for your company on the internet is a sure way to make sure that hundreds of people will see it each and every day. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. Focus on high-margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high-value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. Don't give up on affiliate marketing before you really get started. While you may not be impressed by your affiliate marketing profits right now, that may change once you start applying this video's advice. If you stick with affiliate marketing and do the right things, you can achieve some great things. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.